Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Daily important vocabulary words. 9th July 2021. Dawdle, whirl, linger. Synonyms: dally, take one's time. Antonyms: hurry. Example sentence: She mustn't dawdle. She had to make the call now. Wretched, adjective, miserable. Synonyms: unhappy, sad. Antonyms: cheerful. Example sentence: I felt so wretched because I thought I might never see you again. Shortly, adverb, sharply. Synonyms: abruptly, bluntly. Antonyms: patiently. Example sentence: Do you like cricket? I do not, she said shortly. Bleak, adjective, bare. Synonyms: exposed, desolate. Antonyms: lush. Example sentence: It was nothing but a bleak moor. Succumb, verb, yield. Synonyms: give in, give way. Antonyms: resist. Example sentence: We cannot merely give up and succumb to despair. Benign, adjective, kindly. Synonyms: kind, warm-hearted. Antonyms: unfriendly. Example sentence: His mannerisms are firm yet benign. Recalcitrant, adjective, uncooperative. Synonyms: intractable, unmanageable. Antonyms: amenable. Example sentence: It is a class of recalcitrant 10-year-olds. It is a class. Breakthrough, adjective, advance. Synonyms: development, step forward. Antonyms: setback. Example sentence: It was a major breakthrough in DNA research. Deceptive, adjective, misleading. Synonyms: illusory, elusive. Antonyms: honest. Example sentence: He put the question with deceptive casualness. Bohemian, adjective, unconventional. Synonyms: nonconformist, unorthodox. Antonyms: conventional. Example sentence: As an artist, you live a bohemian lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching.